Hello kids, in this video we're going to learn numbers name from 6 to 10. Let's go. 6 S-I-X 6. 7 S-E-V-E Yan 7. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 N-I-N-E 9. 10 T-E-N 10. Repeat after me. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. I hope kids you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe. Bye bye.